Hi everyone, today I'm using this die again. Oh, just one piece of this Hunky Dory Moonstone Do You Want to Build a Snowman die. I'm using the die for the Christmas lights. That's all I'm using out of that set, and then out of a Sweet Dixie set. Sweet Dixie Dies. Snowy Scene Houses, that's that one. This one is SDD317, and it's a fireplace. And I got this last year and I never used it. So I've cut some of those out. I've got them in a little baggie. So I've cut my fireplace out on some wood paper, which is blue on the background. And I've got boughs, I've got foliage, I've got well, you'll see all the other bits. And I've saved all the little bits that have come out from here, that have come out of the fireplace surround, just to put back in, just to make it have different colours. So I thought it can have blue in there. But I might do that right at the end and show you it off screen, on a photograph at the end, because that's going to take a while to get them mixed up. As in, not mixed up, but get them in the right places. So I'm just going to colour in my lights. I've coloured in the string for the lights in green. Oops, got 3 colours. This is vermilion. Just right. That's the vermilion done. These are my AliExpress pens. We'll have green. This is green bice. Don't know what that means, but it's green bice. I wanted red, gold and green, but I haven't got a gold. So I'm going red, yellow and green. It's like a traffic light. And finally, lemon yellow. Start at this end. I could have done everyone a different colour, but where do they have a drink when I'm filming? There, that's those done. I don't think there's any more colouring. I've coloured in the candles, the candle on the little arch, and I coloured in the fire for the fireplace. I think actually I might colour this in black. Yeah, I think I will, because I want to. Bear with me while I colour it in. Won't take 2 minutes. I hope my head's not in the shot. Whew. Oops. There we go. The fire surround is now coloured in. It's not completely black, but it'll do. Right, so I put those to one side a wee bit. And those, come on, thank you. So my card base is just 4x6 standard card base, and I've got a piece of card that I've cut out from, ooh, that's not good. I might have to find a dark red to go around the edges. Let's have a look what we've got. Just for the edges, that's all. Come on. Let's have a look at old red. What's old red like? That'll do. I know it's not exactly the same, but just to colour the edges. In fact, let's do it the broad end. That might be better. That's better. That's better. Just to cover up the white of the paper and the raggedy bits where obviously I need to change the blade. Top there. There we go. It's not screaming at me now. Now, do I put that so that looks like it's the top of the ceiling and have the thing down there? Or do we have it the other way up? It looks like a skirting board, doesn't it? I don't really know. I don't really know. Right, let me have a piece of card. I think I'm going to stick the fireplace onto a bit of card. I just want the back of it. I don't need much, just that little back. As you can see, there's all the bits and pieces out from when I did the snowman card because I'm doing it all at once. Right, I'll just trim it down a wee bit more. And I'm going to glue that on to the back. Because we need to stick all those little pieces in. We can give it some dimension if I'm doing it like this. Mind you, we don't really want dimension, do we, on the fireplace? We want the other bits. The bits and pieces that are going on top to stand out more than the fireplace. But it doesn't matter, I've got it covered now. So, we can start building up. We'll put the fireplace, the bricks, the surrounding. I can go in there. Just glue that in. Glue it in. There we go. And we could colour all those little blue bits in black. Let's have a look. Well, we can't colour it in. Come on. This is the little corner bit, you see. I think we should colour it in black. Put them in like that, but colour it in. Or should I do it a different colour? Should I do it black? Should I do it a different colour? Oh, we'll decide that later. Now, let me have a look what's fallen out now. Let's see what we've got to embellish the fireplace. Oh, we've got all sorts. We've got some, a thingy set. We've got a log. Come here, Mr. Log. Cut that out in the wood paper as well. So this is the fire grate to go in the fireplace. Do you see? Yeah, just about. So I just cut this out of some scrap silver card. Where's the toothpick. I know it's blobbed a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Put the log in there. And then we want the flames. Oh, or do we want the log in or just the flames? We can put the flames on top of the little log. You don't have to have the log in. I might leave the log out next time. I cut this out of yellow card. And then I just put a bit of fluorescent orange around the edge. And this was done on yellow card as well, as you can see. And I just put some red in the middle, some orange around the edge. To make it look like flames. There we go. So that's that. Now we need, that's going to go up there. I know that. This is going to go on the fireplace. And I'm going to use some, do I use those or do I use tape? I think I'll use these little black squares. Might be a bit better, a bit smaller. Okay, pull back on that. Get on. Oh dear, I'm all fingers and thumbs. I am. I'm hoping I'll get my mojo back a bit better in the new year. Because this is going to be the last video before Christmas now. I decided I need to get things, do I do it upwards or downwards? We'll do it that way. Right, I think I'm going to put this onto the card now. I'm going to have that at the bottom. And then I'll do, on the next one, when I do it with my ladies, I'll do it at the top. Make it look like there's something at the top of the thing. Oh dear, that's life, isn't it? Okay. Dearie me. Right, so we'll glue you on. And we'll glue you on that line there. There. There we go. Right. I've got some little thingies cut out, little stockings. I've got some bleeds. in the middle of the garland. I should have got little ones, but I didn't. We'll have a big one. We'll have one there. Right. Should have put some foam what's-its underneath. There this goes. But it doesn't matter. Get on. In fact, I should have put glue under, a little dab of glue as well. Let's just put a little dab on there. A little dab on there. Bit late, but now better late than never. And one more. Can go on there. Okay. Now we will have the stockings. Oops, that's my blue tack. Put that on there. We'll put a sticky on the back of here. I use some tartan paper that I've got. With a Stampin' Up paper. I think I got it 2 years ago. 2, 3. Can't remember now. So, but it's using up little scraps of paper. That's going to cover up that, so I think I'll have to do those little bits. I think I'll do those black, and then I might do these as a colour. Oh, thought I'd pick that up then. Where's my black? Black. Bring in my scrap paper. Colour it in that way up then. I do apologise, this is going to be a long video. Okay, that's those two coloured in black. You want that. Let me put you in. Let me put you there, just out of the way. I need blue tack on there. Need some glue. That's you in there. And this one. Can go in there, like so. Right, the stockings. I was going to put a bow on each side of the fireplace, but I don't know whether I will now. And have the stockings there and there. Yeah, go for that. Put the stocking there. Like that, on a bit of an angle. Bit of an angle. There we go. We'll stick these on. To move that one. Okay. There we go. Oh, oops. Oopsie daisy. So we'll put you so that you're under, get under there. And you can go under there. There we go. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together. Now we're going to have to put these in because we've got those to stick on. I think I'm going to stick the lights on first up there. And I think we're going to have to trim off the end. Just a teensy bit off each end. Yeah. I'll have to glue them because I haven't got any dimensions small enough. Sorry. But there's plenty of dimension on the rest of the card. There is. We need the little, that's it, the candle thing. Oh, this needs to go on dimension. We need the little tape. This little tape, because it's quite thin. Scissors. 1, 2, 3. Just put one behind each candle. Can that be seen? Yes. Pull it up and move it. And 1. 2. And it's a bit faffy, isn't it, this one? A bit fiddly. But it'll be worth it, I think, in the end. Could be worse. So that's going to go in the middle there. I'm quite liking this. Now, what colour should we do? Because what colour should we do? Let's have a look at my sheet. See what colours we've got. I think I don't know. Should we have an orange, you think? Bonfire, or what about turquoise blue? Number 68. I think we'll go for turquoise blue. Number 68. Come on in, your time is up. Where are you? 68. Turquoise blue. So this is going to be fiddly. So I've got to get them all in the right bit. And just hope to God I've got them all. Or I could just colour it in. Mind you, I'll make a right mess of the edges, knowing me. Right, there's 2 curly bits. There's that one. Where's my cocktail stick? There. Oh, I've got a gem stuck on the back. Get off. Right, it's stuck on me. Get off. So, we need the curvy ones. There's a curvy one. And there's a curvy one. Okay, turquoise. Ooh, is that turquoise? Picked up the black. Do you know? I think I'll come back. I think I'll come back when I've done all these and stuck them in. Won't be long. Okay, so I've coloured those in and stuck them in. And I've just got, put that out of the way, these little fire tongs and things, which will pop there or there. And we got little Thomas the cat. He can go on sitting by the fireplace. Put a big dimension in there, and we'll put half of one. Well, let's pull the whole lot off. There was I thinking I'd cut it. You couldn't be more wrong, Lynn, could you? Put that on his head. Sitting by the fire, him, he, her. Little black puss cat. Sitting by the fire. Oh gosh. It's not my day, is it? It isn't. And now we'll just put a little bit on the back of here. We'll use this tape, I think. I think we'll use the tape. Oh, I haven't even got my tree up yet. I am not feeling it this year. I'm not at all. We're having a bit of a tough time at the moment. Oh God, you can see that through there. You can see it. Well, you'll just have to see it. So I haven't got anything thinner. Mimi. Oh, you can see it a lot. Do you know what? They're going on there. Like that. And that's it. There's no more to that card. It is done. Completo finito. I wonder if they'd look good. Oh, here we go. Fapping. Starting to fap. If I put one of those in. No, leave it. Stand away from the card. Step away from the card. Enough. Or else you go too much. So there's a little Christmas card, fireplace, using the Sweet Dixie Dies. I think, yes, it is. And that's all complete. I think I might give that one to my dad. I think he'd like that. Or maybe the snowman from the other day. We'll see. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. That would be nice, please. I've got over 700 subscribers now. Oh, it'll be exciting if we get to 1,000. I don't know what will happen. I'm supposed to just get an email from YouTube. Say, congratulations, you've got 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, so thank you again for watching. Hit the subscription button if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified next time that I come on, which will now be in the new year, because I'm having a little bit of a break for Christmas. Need to get my head together, and hopefully next year I'll be cooking on gas. So thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Who knows, I might put some little videos up in between. You never know. Depends what I do or what I feel like. So thank you very much for watching again. Have a lovely Christmas and New Year, and I'll see you in 2023. Bye.